All the way over here. All the way. You need to stop being so rough, okay?
Yay,
Don't
boo.
grab on him like that. That's not nice. Nobody likes to wrestle.
Like we're watching Ethan through the camera. Mommy's gonna hold the camera though, okay. You wanna go play with Ethan so Daddy can see you in the camera too?
You want to stay? Okay, then you need to be nice. Do not wrestle. Okay? You do it again, you're going home. Don't wrestle, or you're going home.
You throwing the ball at Mommy? You throwing the ball at Mommy? Daddy. Whoa! You gonna do a somersault? Wow! Say hi, Dad.
Bye.
Hey, you there. Hi, Daddy.
Jump!
Jump.
Jump. Jump. You want the camera? Oh. Silly. Silly. Okay, we'll turn it off.
Hi.
Oh, wait, there goes your brother. Hi. Yeah, you can see. See Eric? Oh, mommy's gonna hold the camera. See Eric? Look at Eric having a good time. Oh, yeah.
Go in the foam pit.
Look at her. Okay. Can you jump there? Show Daddy how you jump. Jump, jump, jump. Whoa.